blew our soul, baby. This is fun.
I said, anything you can do, I can do better. Anything you can do, I can do. Woo! Thinking out loud, you can take your millions and throw them in a pile. Mix a little in with all your wants and your desires. Hit it with some gasoline and set the thing on fire. I'm a level higher, or you know how to play the piper. Pat you on the back for leading people like disciples. But now you got them listening, so what you gonna tell her? Talk about your booty and your body and your money, it's irrelevant. How about I talk about my savior? I know you're feeling stuck and he's the person that can save you. Are you with something beautiful and wonderfully created? You wanna know about it? Why not ask the one who made you? Imagine a day when I need a prayer and you'll be there. Who said it? I'm never scared, just call me David. I slay in such a way that they be calling me a beast. The singing is so much that now I'm starting to believe it. I'm a beast, not I, but the God inside me. So kindly step aside as I let him rise up.